Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to remake in Valorant. A remake vote allows teams to start a new game from scratch if a player leaves the game at the start of the match. This feature is designed to provide a fair gaming experience for both teams by eliminating any potential unfair advantages. Remaking a match in Valorant is a simple process that can be initiated through the in-game chat system. It is important to note that a remake vote can only be initiated if a player leaves the game before the first round is over. If a player leaves the game after the first round, then the game will continue and a remake vote cannot be initiated. Now, in order to remake, you have to first open the chat, then type /remake. After you have casted the vote and all the players on your teams agree, you'll be able to remake the game. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.